Hello and welcome to my video. Today's video is about removing this Audi A3 Sportsback door card, window regulator, door lock and the door handle. Okay guys, to get to the window regulator or remove the window, first thing we need to do is take off this door card. So this door card's got T25s where this compartment is. If you look up here where my finger is, that hole down there, and it's just right down there. Then we got to remove this pry up from here, a clip off, and we got one down here. And we also got one at the bottom here. You can see that. Once you've removed that, lifted it up, there's one hook that you just need to unclip from there, and then just one down here. You could just simply press in there and that one will come loose there. And what the trick is to take this up, you want to lift it up and just try and get this out the hook. So guys, once you've got that door card out the way here, what we're trying to do is see where that window regulator is. These Sportsback, they're double skin, so if you see that bolt down here, it may need to lift up. However, we might be able to get away with it. So what we need to do here is take away this panel here. That should loosen this. So now, to get this off, it's a tricky one. It's got the bolt here, but it's too difficult to get through on this side here. So what you have to do is lift it all up. To get to that, you need to take off this T30. There's one on this side here, and there's one at the back here. To completely lift up this door, there's a bolt up here, a T45 on the side here, one T45 down here, and there's two up here. Once, if you lift this latch up here, and there's one there, and there's one below it. There's a cover, you just have to remove that and then this should lift straight up. First you need to put your hand in there. Where you see this yellow tab here, you need to press in and pull this out. The black clip comes loose like that. So what you need to do then is move this out of the way. Once you move that out of the way, it's got no more connection to the door handle. And what you need to do then is 2 M8s. You just take that off. Now that will come down. Once you slide it downwards, it'll come here, and then you could get access to that. Get a screwdriver and just unclip that until it comes loose. To get this door handle out, what you need to do, there's a little cup there and it's got a T20 just there, so you need to loosen that, and then you need to come to the back here. You need to put a screwdriver into this gap here and pry it backwards, and that's released the lock. And to push it back in, you've got to push it in till it locks back in. So we're just going to unlock it till it comes out, and then what you need to do is take away that lock there, that black clip, that lock barrel from inside, and that will slide out.